A crack in your basement wall may seem ominous, but are there fixes? Stay tuned, I'll tell you about one fix for foundation cracks. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales at AccuLevel. A crack in your foundation doesn't mean your house is falling in. In this video, I'll explain why we use epoxy to fix foundation cracks, how the repair is done, and how long the repair can last. But before we go any further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. Here at AccuLevel, we use a two-part epoxy that we actually use with our carbon fiber straps to help bond the straps to foundation walls. This two-part epoxy is very, very important because it is a water sealant and it's a really good bonder. And the bonding is everything to the wall around the crack. As long as that epoxy stays in the crack and bonded to the wall, it'll work. And so we stay away from the mortar or grout compounds or even the crack injections just because we lose control over where the product is bonded and how well it's bonded to the wall and to the crack itself. And so the epoxy gives a long-term repair to a simple problem with that water coming through the crack. So on a poured wall, the first thing we're going to do is clean out the crack and clean up the wall around it. So what this means is chiseling that crack out to even make it bigger in some circumstances, so that the epoxy can get into the crack and do a good job sealing it. And then we're going to clean up the wall around it. So this means taking a grinder to expose the real concrete, get rid of any kind of debris or paint that's been put on the wall over years, so we can get a good bond between the epoxy and the concrete itself. And then the crack is simply injected with the epoxy and smeared on, and it covers approximately 2 inches on either side of the crack to ensure a good bond to that wall. We give a 5-year warranty with our epoxy repairs here at AccuLevel. But that being said, we guarantee it to last at least 5 years. When these epoxy crack repairs are done appropriately and correctly, they should last for a very long time, 10 to 20 years. But there's a lot of circumstances that we can't predict, whether that wall moves or anything like that, that's going to instantly make that crack repair irrelevant and not work. Or if you have a tremendous amount of water and there's not proper maintenance done to the outside of the home, that's going to shorten the life of the epoxy. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about using epoxy for your crack repair? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.